I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm right here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world. All at once, everything is different now that I see.
A tip of the hat from Dr. Fascinator. Now, make a deal with me, and you'll get everything your little heart desires. Sit down at my table, put your mind at ease. If you relax, it will enable me to do anything I please. I can read your future, I can change it around some too. I look deep into your heart and soul, make your wildest dreams come true. I got voodoo, I got voodoo, I got
remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
What came before us and what's yet to come? Memories.